I said, B word, paint my house. All right, today I'm checking out Soul Coughing. I'm listening to the song $300. Let's get into it. I cannot wait to click this annotation. What? How much she said for $300? I'll do it. If this is about anything except selling your body for $300, I'm going to be disappointed. If it's about something like getting your car fixed or something, I'm going to be so disappointed. It just sounds like, you know what I mean? It sounds like they're talking about how much she's going to charge you to do a little, a little gawk, 3,000 or something like that, you know? That's what it sounds like. And that's kind of funny. This song sounds like, you know, definitely influenced by drugs. But he was singing about that too. He wants to feel the drugs when they're coming on. It's just the vocal style to me sounds like a modern day. It'd be like somebody on Xanax or something would be singing kind of like this. This is not a modern song though. This song that come out in the last 10 years, right? I don't think so. I don't think it came out in the last 10 years. Who knows? Maybe it did. But yeah, it's got that kind of vocal style. I need you to be reasonable. You know, it's a little bit slower. A slower vocal style. Now, this whole feel the rain on your skin, that's got me thinking about the Natasha Bedingfield song. But the way they related that to the first verse, I know you, Lord, are a jealous Lord, right? That's biblical. Like, I, your God, am a jealous God. That kind of thing. But then I know the skin is a jealous skin. Like, what? What are we doing? That's why it's gotta be influenced by drugs. You're just not expecting that to call your skin a jealous skin. But it does make sense if you go full gutter mode, $300, I'll do it mode. Would your foreskin not be a jealous skin? If somebody else's foreskin was getting what your foreskin wanted, it would be a jealous skin. So in some weird kind of big brain way, that actually makes sense. Click, click, click. Into the annotation we go. Now, what on earth? The sample that is used throughout the song is taken from the audio file from the 15 track of Roll With Me by Chris Rock. Roll With the New by Chris Rock. So I am walking on the street, right? And I saw this prostitute, right? Yay, it's about prostitution. Woohoo. And I say, how much? She said, for $300, I'll do anything you want. I said, B-word, paint my house. Oh my goodness, I feel that. I like that. How is Chris Rock even funny through text? How is he funny through text? I'm just reading it and it's like I can almost hear his voice saying it and whatnot, and then that twist is like, dang, no, that's a good point. For $300, and don't know I want 15 minutes of fun for $300. I'll put you to work. I'll put you to work for real, for real. It's a lot to do around here. Now you can find, they're already talking about the sample in the song. There's a part on the record where he goes, this is a joke I wrote in 1987, and it plays the joke backwards, so I sampled it and reversed it. Mr. Rock has heard it, and he approves. He loves it. Okay. So Chris Rock actually heard the song and likes it. That was my favorite part of the song, that sample. That how much? She said, for $300, I'll do it, and you know what it's about. You know it's about $300, and when was this written? 1998? $300 in 1998? I don't even know what that is, but it feels like $1,000 today or something. I don't know. I don't know the actual math because the inflation numbers are all weird and whatnot. Some stuff goes up, some stuff doesn't. $300 in 1998? Yeah, that feel like $2 grand today or something. I don't know. That's a lot of money in the late 90s.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.